Hello? 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 Hello, hello. Hello. This is a annual event. This will be seen by generations to come. Um, Millions of people for years to come will cherish this moment when Mr. Toppy posted his first ever video. Yep, historic moment. Better than George Washington. Yep, definitely. Totally. Totally. Anywho. Hello, and welcome to White Shadows. This is my first ever video, by the way. No crow guy. No quobo. No quobo. Quobado. Dubba. Yeah. This is my first ever game I'm going to be playing on my channel. If you like stuff like this, comment and whatever, so on and so forth. I don't have a camera. Yeah. Just move left and right to adjust the brightness so that Raven's eye is just barely visible. Well, there, that's barely visible for me at least. I'm gonna turn it up a little brighter because I know that stuff in other people's TVs and stuff comes out really, really dark sometimes. So, you're welcome. You're so deeply welcome. This game contains depictions of racism, suicide, violence towards women and children. Whoa, animal cruelty, forced labor, and what the heck? Huh? Yeah, there was your warning. I thought this was a fun crow game. I like crows. White Shadows, everybody. Welcome. Oh, whoa. The founder says... What does the founder say? All animals are equal. Oh, it's one of these games. I'm sure this game is totally fun and family friendly for all ages. Big phone. Or maybe normal sized phone? Phone. What are those guys? Oh, rats. Is that Claw? Rats? No, or oh, those are pigs. Whoa. Whoa. What? Huh? What? Whoa! Little man. Little man. Oh. Oh! That's me! Ow! Oh! Oh! I'm fine. I'm great. That was great. I'm great. Look at me. Oh, I can jump! I believe I can fly! Anyway. I don't want to get copyright strike. My voice might just be that good. You know, my voice is amazing. For all ages, listen to my voice. Yeah, warning, I guess. This game is a lot like another game called Inside. It's made by the same creator, or founder, or whatever. Whoa. Oh crap. Okay. I'm good. I'm great. Oh! Zero death run. Zero death run. No deaths. That was not me. Oh! 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 Bonkus. Bonkus. Ow. Oh. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm great. Zero deaths. Zero deaths. Definitely. Okay. Jump. Jumpity, jumpity. Raven's guilty. Whoa. 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 Is this like... Is this, gonna be... a game like that? Like, I have no problem against those types of games, as long as they're sending a good message, and not a bad message. But, whoa. I'm guessing I'm supposed to go this way. Maybe? I'm a crow. Am I a crow or a raven? Because if I'm a raven, I think I might be in big trouble. For something, I guess. Oh, light. Also, by the way, in the trailer, the flight of the bumble. Oh, ah! Oh, oh! Okay. Light life, you know? Good for them. Good for, yeah, light life, guys. Oh, a lot of sliding. I'm starting to see a pattern. A pattern. Live in the shadows. Joking. Do I push this? Push? What do I do? What? Hello? Oh, I have to click shift. Oh, okay. I'm gonna forget that at some point. Yep, I'm forgetting that at some point. Oh, I can crouch too. Can I crouch in here? Nope. Okay. That is not a zone. Ow. That's not ominous at all. Do I have to push that crate? Yeah, I have to push that crate. Yeah, this game was made by the same people who made Inside, which is a masterpiece, and I was, well, not by the same team, but like one of the co-founders who founded the team that blah 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 founded Inside, made this game. Enough, you know, blah blah blahing on. But yeah, this is, yes, Real Crow Gang. No Buster Brown if you do say so. Whoa. 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 Oh! Ah! Oh. I'm beautiful. I'm amazing at this. I'm sure that's not an ominous sign that that will be happening a lot in the near future of this game. There we go. Oh, I do click up at some points. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Why don't I just fly? Well, I guess I don't have wings. Should drink some Red Bull, not sponsored. Oh, boing. 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 Boing, boing, boing. Hello, is this? Ooh. Ooh. I see. Uh-huh. I see. Thumbs up for the light. What does any of that mean? Where am I going? Oh. Sorry, my brain does not work. Okay. Hello? Oh, do I have to run? There's no way I'm making that. Okay, there's a lever this way, so... Oh, there's a lever, okay. I thought that was just a glowy box. Everyone at home just yelling at me. There's a lever! Right here. The thumbs up for the light. This crate. I don't want to push that yet. I'm not sure where to push that, so I'm just not going to yet. What? I guess I'll push it. I have no idea what this is, but I hope I did that right. I probably did, because I'm just that good at gaming. No idea what this is for. Do I drag it instead of pushing it? Okay, thank God I can drag it. Wait. Oh! Oh! Okay, and then I do this. What? Oh. Well, then what is it for? That makes sense. What? Boo. Boo. Where do I take this? I legitimately do not know where to take this. Am I just I think I might just be overcomplicating things. I probably just need to do this, and then do this. And then this, and then this. Nope. Huh? How am I already stuck? This is the first puzzle for this game. This is the first puzzle. How do I mess up on this first puzzle? But I could already get up here, so then... What? Is it used for? I do not know. Dabba-duck, dabba-da-book, dabba-la-dook-a-dook-a-book. Sorry, my brain's broken. I don't know what to do. Okay, that's crouching. Okay, because like this, that seems pretty smart. That makes sense. Right, maybe I just need to... No, go back down. Ugh. There's no way. I can't do that. What is this crate for? It's gonna take... Can I crouch over here? No. So what do I do? Do I have to restart? What do I do? What? But... Maybe stuck on here for like 30 bajillion minutes, aren't I? Okay, so I can get up there. Oh! Wait, I'm dumb. I'm really dumb. I do not need this crate. I literally do not need that crate. That is a dumb crate, you know? I'm dumber than that crate. My goodness. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, what I mean by that is I'm big brain. Uh, no, I bet none of you saw that. Oh! Oh, what? Where am I going? Okay. That was weird. What? 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 What is this? Plague bird? Oh, so this is the... Okay, I think I know what this is based off of. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, whoa. So yeah, that warning at the beginning of the game has something. If you do not know what this game is probably based off of, then, you know, I don't know. Yeah, but this... Good game so far. Like, looks like crows are, Oh! Hey, look at that crow getting his butt kicked in the background. Thumbs up for light. 100% organic. Yo Glow Power Drink. Appropriate by the Master's Wipes. Oh, button. Butano. What is that? Is that just a massive pig? Where am I going? They deserve it. Oh! That is a crow getting hammered in the head. Okay. So pigs are racist to crows. Okay. You know, or I mean ravens. Good thing I'm a crow, right? I'm a pig, definitely, totally. Oh god, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna be murdered. Someone's gonna do a murder on me. Oh, is that me? Oh, oh, that's me. That is me. Oh, crap. pig going? What? Where'd that pig go? They deserve it. Wait, what did that say? The darkness away. Oh, wait. Are they getting, like, bleached? Are they getting bleached? Oh. They're one light bath per day. Keeps the darkness away. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, and they're fun game, fun crow game. Great crow game. Amazing crow game. I'm sure none of this has to do with anything in real life. Oh my god! I thought I was gonna die. Oh my goodness, what the heck was that? What was that? Giant pig shit. Whoa. Oh. You're a little birdie! Little birdie boo. Hey, get over here. Get over here. My lunch. Nom nom nom. What are you? Get over here, man. Falling far behind. Are you a little crow? No! Oh, he's okay. He didn't fall all the way down. He has wings. He'll be fine. Oh. He's falling. Jump! Huh. Yeah. Amazing. Thumbs up. Thumbs up, guys. Here, there. Thumbs up for the light. Yep, totally. Also, when it means light bath, does that mean that they get all the quote-unquote darkness sucked from their bodies? Out of their bodies? Oh no! No, 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 no. Ah, get out. Be free. No, they're little crow babies. Little raven guys. Come on, guys. Don't be afraid. Come on. Come on up. Now get up. Oh, no, you're just waiting for me. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3. Where's the fourth one? Come on. Oh well, he'll die. You know, there's always one. Oh, I guess I have to go down. Did I glitch the game? I glitched the game. I'm gonna. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no. No. Can I grab him? Can I grab him? Oh. I can do that. Okay. You know, easy. You struggling? Just kill yourself. Wait, no. Wait, no, that's not, wait, don't do that, do not do that, do not do what I said, I'm a bad influence. Come on, guys. my god. Chris, I can crouch, can't I? I can crouch. Whatever. You know, there's always one. There's always one. Life is light. Bright glow batteries. Okay, so their entire economy is based on light. People being afraid of the dark. Okay. So that's not in the fun. Tonight in fun, I'm gonna be murdered and hung by a stake with my eyes gorged. Oh, cuss. What? What? Are you afraid of the darkness? One light bath a day keeps the darkness away. What? Light is light. Only $49 daily? Okay, so this entire economy is plagued off of people's fears. Got it. And also racism. That is... Okay, So it's a puzzly boy. There we go. I'm big brain. Oh. Powered by the light. Oh, what? Where is this one? Still have no idea what that is. What is this? Whoa. Wait. Oh! Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Oh, crappity crap. No. Oh, I'm going. Oh, I can't. Oh. I think I know where I'm going. I don't think it'll be fun. The founder says, drink you glow. Thank you for your service. It's a creepy No. Oh, I thought those were Why does it sound like pigs are being grounded up? Where am I going? Your glow. Victory blow. It's super healthy. I'm sure it's not, symbolism at all or anything. Okay, anywho, in all seriousness, this is actually super creepy. Like, wait. I would be questioning, some stuff if... Oh! Oh, uh-huh. Yes. I think that this can... I think this product contains board. This product will contain board. Oh my god. So this game's lore is already absolutely bonkers. Yeah. It's a bird getting smashed. Right? I'm guessing. So... Oh my god. The entire thing with this place is that everything is based off of fear. I'm guessing it somehow benefits the founders in some way, right? It has to. Oh, this is gonna be Oh, there's one in my head. Oh! 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 But we have a little companion buddy. And some pigs in the background doing what pigs do. Hey, get back on my head. What does this do? Nothing? Yeah, makes sense. This feels ominous right here. I don't know about this. Oh. So it's like it's like that. It's like in levels. So depending on your race of animal, depends on how you're treated, I'm guessing. Oh, this game is already something else. Come on, you got it. There we go. There we go. Oh no! All the crow babies! I have come to free you. Probably, right? Easy to get up there. Nope. I have come to free you, my crow children. You're still alive, right? Yep, you are still alive. Okay, you got this, guys. What is that power? So, are like the pigs working class citizens who aren't really paid much attention, and that's why they're used for special resources, I guess you could say? Oh, crap. What? Yes, I deserved it. No, I didn't. What did I do? I'm in a bird cage? Oh, so highest up on the food chain is the wolf. Wait. Chapter 1. Lake birds? Me? Is that me? This is just chapter 1? That was just the intro? To the game? Complete the first chapter of the game. Ooh. Huh. Okay. Well, I think that's a good place to end it for this video. That is plague bird. Okay, so I'm a filthy little bird, I guess. I guess that's where I'm gonna end it for this video. If you like this video, why not subscribe? I know that's annoying, and that all YouTubers say that, and it is annoying. I agree, but if you want to, you don't have to. There's nothing saying that you must. You can always unsubscribe if you want to. And yeah, basically, that's gonna do it for this video. So I will see you, gents and gentettes. Ooh, gents and gentettes. That's actually not bad. I will see you, gents and gentettes, in the next video. Bye. I don't know. Outro sequence. Outro bye bye. Okay, bye.